Creative wood birds for home decoration, inspiring ideas for art lovers. Carved songbirds. Create realistic or stylized songbirds, focusing on details like feathers and expressions. Use vibrant paints or natural stains to enhance their beauty. Whimsical bird silhouettes. Craft whimsical bird shapes from plywood. Paint them in bold colors and patterns for a fun, modern touch to your decor. Birdhouses with character. Design unique birdhouses inspired by different architectural styles. Add decorative elements like painted flowers or playful patterns. Hanging mobile birds. Create a mobile using lightweight wooden birds. Suspend them from a frame or branch for a charming and dynamic display. Rustic twig birds. Assemble birds using twigs and branches, giving them a rustic, natural look. Paint or embellish them with natural motifs for a woodland feel. Bird wall art. Design a wall-mounted piece featuring a flock of wooden birds in flight. Use varying sizes and colors for a visually striking arrangement. Functional art, bird hooks. Carve small birds that serve as hooks for keys or coats. This combines functionality with artistic flair, perfect for entryways. Framed bird scenes. Create a three-dimensional scene with carved birds in a shadow box. Use layers of wood to add depth and visual interest. Decorative nesting birds. Make small birds that nest in decorative bowls or nests. Use natural materials like moss or twine to enhance the theme. Personalized bird gifts. Carve birds with initials or special dates for personalized gifts. These make thoughtful keepsakes for friends and family. These creative wood bird projects offer a delightful way to bring nature into your home while showcasing your artistic talent. Happy crafting!